guys, kumusta kayo? Ako man ay okay lang guys. And this is Angie again. I'm here to share you my food vlog today. And here, living here in Singapore and working also. So our vlog today is about food. Is a bolognese recipe. And pag kami ang magluto ng bolognese, we have many ingredients to put in. And this bolognese is either you eat with rice or pasta. Of course, tayo mga Pinoy, gustong-gusto natin ang rice. And if you want pasta, you just put toppings, cheese or chili flakes. Just like me, I like spicy food to eat. So, here you go. Umpisahan natin ang magluto ng bolognese, guys. And after I cook this bolognese, this is my base to make a pie. It's a beef pie, guys. This is my ingredients, guys. We have onion, tomatoes, minced beef, mushroom, sausages, carrots, celery, and another pork, minced pork. And then this is two herbs we use today, rosemary and thyme. And of course we have wine, red wine. We add some wine also to make nicer the recipe. So we need to cover para let it boil, and then we can add the other ingredients like the hard ones, the carrots, celery. So ayan na guys, so we can add these things. Then after we put this, we cover again and let it cook first, then we can add the rest ingredients and season. I know guys, you're surprised why my wok so big, a lot. And yes, we want to cook one time so that we can file up inside the freezer, and anytime we want to eat or we are feeling a craving something, so we just freeze it. And yeah, so ganyan man talaga pag gusto mo para you hindi ka na magluto ulit ng kunti-kunti. So it's better to cook a lot and then you keep the rest. Yes, guys. Ganito ako basta off day, then I think something to do para hindi masayang yung oras ko. And I want really to busy when I have a free time. Kasi nasasayang pag walang ginagawa. We add the season. We put 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon rosemary, then 1 tablespoon thyme. These two herbs I put, guys. Then 1 tablespoon of black pepper, then 1 cup of red wine. Natin. Parang party, guys. Oh, ang laki ng ano ko. Kawali ko. This is now my bolognese, guys, recipe. A bit dry, not so much gravy. Because anyway, I will use for making a beef pie, this one, guys. Eat by pasta here. Bolognese pasta with toppings, cheese, and put some chili flakes. Just like me, I like so much spicy food and can eat like this, guys. Egg, beef bolognese, and with rice. There you go, guys. So please comment down below, guys, which one you prefer or you much like. to this food. And please give thumbs up and please support my YouTube. Okay guys, so I end my video here and hope you like my video today guys, and please hit like button and please write comment down below and please subscribe. I thank you so much very much for your support to my channel guys. And yeah, and I write down the methods or the recipe description box and just check it out there guys if you wanna to try or to wish to make it. Then yeah, is until here, see you next time again guys. Bye.